Tension is reportedly high in a section of Annotto St. Mary following last night's killing of two men. Over in Manchester, residents blocked a section of the Coffee Peace Main Road to protest the killing of a man who was allegedly shot by the police. TVJ's Shamela Pullen has the roundup.
Residents cut down trees to block a section of the Coffee Peace Main Road in Manchester on Saturday to protest the death of 34-year-old Jeffrey Allen. Mr. Allen died at hospital hours after he was allegedly shot in the neck by a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Relatives and friends of Mr. Allen claimed he was mentally challenged. His father, Eric Allen, says he was among a group of mental health professionals chasing his son to administer his medication.
Police them I run my son back here, so I come down. I come down. I saw I come down. I didn't tap right so. The policeman said dash for the knife, he take him right hand, put the knife in the left hand and dash over the banking.
The roadblock was later cleared by the police. Meanwhile, over in St. Mary, emotions are running high after two men were shot and killed in Annotto last night. They have been identified as Akeem Wilson and Ryan Morrison, both 21 years old. According to reports, Mr. Morrison was standing outside a tire shop in Top Bay when men traveling in a white car drove up. They opened fire, hitting Mr. Morrison. The same vehicle drove a short distance away to Cargill Lane, where the men opened fire, hitting Mr. Wilson. Joy Brown, the grandmother of Mr. Morrison, says she was in Kingston when she got the news.
Well, the town last night in 9:30, and heard that them shoot him over here. So the driver who carry me over said she nah come over because Annotto appear shooting. And I say, all right, me have to go over. And me leave downtown and hold something come halfway tree and hold a car from halfway tree come over. When we come over, the lane dead and everything. Me not see anything. We see some police up by the bridge stand up.
Ms. Brown is calling on young people to put down the guns and turn their lives over to God.
All these things are fulfillment of prophecy. Change them ways. Because it not start yet, you know. It not start yet, man.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.